Welcome back, everybody. Like I said, we're going to be doing the Mustang interior today, and we're going to be starting off with the seats. I already got the carpet in yesterday, and you guys saw that video. If you haven't seen it, go check it out, and that's when we started. I did want to go ahead and install all the trim, but I realized that this stuff was really old, and I didn't want to clean it because a brand new cover, all the covers that we need for the interior, 50 bucks. So I'd rather just get them brand new, throw them on there, and it'll be fine because I won't be able to repaint those and save them, unfortunately. So it'll be brand new. Everything will be brand new on the front of the driver's seat, which is what you want. When you want to flip a car and you want to sell it, you want to make sure that everything looks presentable when the person is in the car. That's what we're doing. The rear upholstery, we got the new carpet, we got everything brand new that is at view, right? So it'll look nice, and everybody that will get in the car will really appreciate all the brand new components on the inside. So I got those coming in. I got the upholstery ready to go on the rear seats. I don't have the front seats yet, but the rear seats are right here. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the hog rings on the seat, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the new upholstery on, and then stretch it out, and then put the hog rings on it and attach it all. So let's go ahead and do that, and then once we get that in, we'll be able to I'm gonna go ahead and paint these covers, put the covers in, then I'll be able to put in the rear seats. So there's two things we gotta do today: paint those and put the upholstery on. Let's do it. Okay guys, so on the rear seats on a 67 Mustang, they have two parts where you have to take off to kind of stretch it before you actually put it around the frame. So on the inside here, there's a wire that you gotta hog ring to the seat springs right there on the bottom. And then through the middle of one of the sides of the hump here, there's another wire there that goes through a channel on the inside of the seat, so right here, and this gets hog ringed to the frame as well through the cushion. Okay, you cut those out, and then you'll be able to lift it up, and then do the same thing on the other side, and then the whole entire seat comes off. And then when you put it on, you go ahead and do the exact same thing, but just opposite way. Attach the wire to the seat frame on one side of the hump, and the other side of the hump, and then on the middle of the seat, and then you can stretch it out, and then you'll be able to do it. There are a couple more things you gotta do to kind of line it up and all that good stuff, but for the most part, you'll be able to kind of see what the heck's going on. Luckily for me, like I said before, I built these things before. I built Mustangs before, so I'm pretty familiar with them. But if you guys do need help with any of this stuff, there's a whole bunch of videos on YouTube that teaches you how to do this stuff. So there's no excuse. Either you do it or you pay somebody to do it, but doing it yourself, you save some money, and with the small margins that we have on this car, I want to do as much as I can, especially since I'm able to. It won't take me very long. It'll probably take me 2 hours to get this one seat done, probably another 2 hours to do the other seat and the other cushion, and then yeah, so like 4 hours total. Hopefully sooner, hopefully 2 to 3 hours, being a little bit more speedy. But since I'm making videos and all that stuff, I estimate about 2 hours to do this one. So anyways, let's go ahead and finish it up. So we got some good news. Get the rear seats upholstered. Got those all done. They're looking good. Didn't get a chance to paint the side panels, which is fine because I still got to install the quarter window on the other side, and then I got to paint the chrome on these. But we'll do that probably tomorrow once we get those painted and we got all those stuff taken care of. Interior is coming along. Little by little, every single day we put some time into it. We're gonna eventually knock it out, which is what we want. I told you guys I'm setting the goal for 3 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks. So hopefully we stay in that time frame, and hopefully we can make it. The most important thing when you're building a car, there's a lot of important things when building a car, but one of the most important things is giving yourself goals on finishing and a budget and sticking to those two things. Because a lot of times guys will spend years, a decade or more sometimes building one car because they don't give themselves timelines to finish stuff. I'm giving myself 3 weeks. Every single day I'm pushing forward and I'm trying to get this thing done. So if you guys can take anything from this video, take that. You gotta set goals. If you don't set goals and you don't stick to it, you'll never finish anything. All right? Let's keep it going. Tomorrow we'll finish up some more stuff on the car, little by little, piece by piece. We're gonna assemble it, and make sure you guys sign up to my newsletter where you guys can get updates on the course that's coming out on how to flip cars. We're gonna be flipping cars from now on, ladies and gentlemen. So make sure you guys stick to that. If you guys want to see other content, let me know in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. Like always, take care.
Go time.
Let me see if I can flip. Go ahead, do it again. Just fuck around, move around.
It's go time. Yeah, guys. Today I'm talking about this ratchet. Yeah, see this guy?
Think that again. Just fuck around, move around.
It's go time. Go time.